left to hit on is $1.88. So let's try this again. Something good. A little bit. Two dogs all the way. Something all the way. Halfway through, we're at $34. I haven't had a retrigger on this at all. Alright, a little bonus. $42. I got a 4-drum bonus on this. Red drum bonus, dancing drums, jade drums, but I did not get a gold drum or a jade drum. So I'm just going to go 10. $1.88 bet. I cannot get the gold drum or the jade drum, but that was nice. That was like $96, $100, close to $100. That's Foo Dogs, 16 times 6. It's really loud in here, so I'm not really recording unless I get a bonus. This is Ultimate Explosion. But I'm playing it because I want to get that jade drum, but I can't get it. Nine more spins. Do 9 more of those. Well, that was no good. Gonna get some line hits all the way across, A little bit there. Got $10. Keep it going. Go. Take a retrigger. Close the pot, anything. Chips all the way. Not quite. Two more. Last one. All the way. All right. Another $24. I'll take it. $1.88 back. $156.90 on that bonus. It's not bad for $1.88 bet. 4-drum bonus. Look at this one. Nice point show. Beautiful point show. Okay, let's try some more. I just had another beautiful hit on this dancing drums, Ultimate Explosion. Foo Dogs all the way across, 16 times 4 for $64.